Oh my gosh. It feels really light.
Extra, 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 extra hot.
Hello, welcome to today's video. Welcome back to my channel. Lawrence and I popped to Aldi yesterday and I picked up some bits which I've never tried before that look new in store, and I really wanted to try them out today, well, in today's video, and letting you guys know if it's delicious, if it's worth your money. I'll show you exactly what we're going to be taste testing over the next few days in a sec. But yeah, let's get straight into it. I'm kind of nervous getting back into doing this kind of video, but I'm actually really excited about that because I've missed doing this. So I really hope you guys are excited too. If you are, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, feel free to subscribe, join us. And let's go. It's actually lunchtime now. We're going to have something from what we're taste testing today. So I need to stop talking and get eating. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be trying out is this. We're actually going to be having this for lunch now. We're going to share it. But we're having from the plant menu range from Aldi, the coconut and apple dal. I love dal. Lawrence makes an insanely delicious dal. If you don't know what dal is, it's kind of like a lentil curry. Lawrence makes a really good lentil and spinach dal, but we normally have like very traditional flavour. I've never tried anything like that sounds like this, so I'm really excited to try it. Coconut and apple sounds really weird, so hopefully we like it. Ginger puree, garlic puree, so sounds like a good curry. So that looks good. Also, from the plant menu throughout this week, we're going to be trying these 4 meat-free hot dogs. These are definitely new. They look actually really good. I've had the vegetarian hot dogs from Sainsbury's before. I thought they were okay. Lawrence hated them. They're soy-based vegan style sausages. It says to boil them. We're not really boil sausages type of people, so I think we may boil them for a bit and then maybe pan fry them. Now, one of our favourite dishes is a vegan kebab that I make, and it's so delicious. We normally use the Vivera vegan shawarma style pieces, but I've noticed these in Aldi are new. I've never tried them before. So they're no chicken tikka pieces, so it's got like a similar look to them as the Vivera thing, so I'm going to try and recreate that. And then 3 caramelized biscuits ice cream. So basically this like Lotus Biscoff flavoured ice cream. I love the biscuit spread from Aldi. The best thing ever is when you make like pancakes, crepe style pancakes, and then put the Aldi biscuit spread on top of those pancakes. I have it every Sunday, it's delicious. These are caramelised biscuit ice creams. I'm so excited about that. So we're going to try these throughout the week. I'll probably have one of these tonight as like my little treat. I'm going to put it straight in the freezer now though. Then we've also got a couple of snacky bits. So one of the snacky bits is these popcorn bars. I think these look really good. So salted caramel and almond pretzel bars. I think they're new. They might not be, but I've never tried them. So I'm going to try them in today's video because I love a snack, especially as I'm breastfeeding. Snacking is it's just unstoppable when you're breastfeeding. We've got some new specially selected crisps, sweet chili and sour cream crisps. The specially selected crisps from Aldi are insane. And with our kebab, we'll also be trying this new sauce that I've never tried before. Tzatziki kebab sauce. How good does that look? Cucumber, garlic and mint, but I've never seen it in squeezy bottles. So that's like the Aldi haul finally out of the way. Let's get today's lunch on the go because I'm hungry. Okay, we've got our lunch. Right, let's give it a go. It doesn't smell. I'm not like smelling apple or anything.
Why is there apple in it? It's got
apple in it. You haven't read the sleeve?
No, I haven't, no.
So it's apple and coconut dal.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
That is delicious.
That's really good.
Much better than I thought it would, because you obviously make your homemade dal, which you can't really beat homemade anything if you make it well anyway. Oh.
No, but this does taste, it's comparable.
It's comparable. It's really good for a shop bought
very
dal.
Amazing for like a meal that you can put in the microwave from frozen and 100%. Have within 10 minutes. Like the whole pack for one person.
Yeah.
Would really, it would do you well for a dinner.
Yeah, I would love that as a dinner. Yeah. Oh. pardon.
Wow.
Let me try a bit of the sweet potato. I don't really like sweet potato in curry, I have to say, but let's try
That's
it.
quite nice. It mixes it up. It keeps it a bit interesting because then you get a bit of texture.
That's okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's not too sweet,
Mm.
which is what I worry about. Anyway, someone wants their lunch. I'm going to give that a good 8 out of 10. I'd get again.
I'd agree, and I would get that again too. Such a good thing just to have ready and waiting in the freezer.
Yeah.
And you can eat that and feel
Pretty good.
Can't
good,
taste
the apple,
but full as well. You know, not.
Yeah, I can't taste the apple.
I can't taste the apple, but I think that's just in there for the sweetness. You know.
Oh, maybe. Can you taste the coconut?
Not obviously.
No.
But then I suppose if I thought about it, it's got that kind of creamy quality, which. But yeah, that's a really good microwave meal. That
It is. I just wish I bought 2. Yeah, I give it an 8 out of 10. What do you give it?
same.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I really recommend you buy it. Cool. So we'll finish this and we'll see you at the next time we have a little taste test. Okay, it's a new day, a new taste test. Today for lunch we're going to have hot dogs, so these meat-free Aldi hot dogs. They look okay and actually they're quite sizable, quite big. So we are going to put them on now. We're going to cook all of them, to be honest, and have hot dogs for lunch. I'm really excited. It smells a bit funny. I don't know if that's the cardboard. Okay, so to cook these, I did mention we might fry them, but actually we're just going to cook them how the instructions say online. And the instructions say to boil them. So they're boiling in water right now. There they are, all 4 of them. And we've got some Village Bakery hot dog rolls from Aldi. Oh no, they've gone a bit hard, Lawrence. Okay, microwave them, microwave them. Very strategically placed snacks. Thank you. Right, lunch is served. What do you think of the image? Oh, let's hold Lawrence's up.
To be honest.
So this is what they look like. Lawrence has put like a pickle, mayo, homemade sauce he makes, which is delish. It's got dill pickles in and mayonnaise and secret
Raw onion. Basically Big Mac sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've gone for mustard and tomato. The mustard is actually from IKEA.
Yeah.
It's so blooming good.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Definitely think it'll be better with sauce.
Yeah. It's all right.
It's got a smoky flavour, like you said.
What's nice is smoky flavour. What's weird is like, look at the inside. It's like the same colour all the way through.
Yeah.
That's a bit weird. But flavour's okay.
I like it. I don't think I'd get it again.
No, I probably wouldn't. It's the closest I think I've tried to a vegan hot dog.
Yeah, like a football stand hot dog.
That is what they're going for here.
Yeah.
So I'd say, like, as far as what they're trying to achieve, I think they're pretty close. I think they've done a good job.
Yeah. Good enough to eat. But just as a one-off for us personally.
Yeah, I mean, like, I'll finish it. I'm going to need a knife and fork with mine.
Yeah. I would suggest, if you like hot dogs, to try it. And you'll either think, yeah, I'll buy this again. Or you'll think, it's okay, but I just won't bother again.
This is a good substitute. You get the same vibes, but maybe without any of the objections that you may have having a meat one.
Exactly. Okay, what's your out of 10?
I'm going to give it, and I'm going to factor in here what they set out to achieve and how close they've got. I'm going to say it's a 7. Considering what it's trying to be and how successful that is, I'd say a 7 is good.
Yeah. I was going to go 6.5 or 7. Yeah, for the exact same reasons. Yeah, very good. Please may I have a sip of your tropical glass. These are also from Aldi, Lawrence's favourite drinks.
If you like lilt.
Lilt.
If you remember lilt.
Okay, so it's mid-afternoon now. meaning I need a snack. So these are part of the snacks I wanted to taste test. I've never tried these. They might not be new. You might think this is boring, but I really wanted to try these. Popcorn salted caramel, almond and pretzel bar. It feels really light, like it feels like it's fully made out of popcorn. Oh, but it smells actually delicious. Looks pretty good. Looks like it's a good cup of tea accompaniment. No artificial colours, flavourings or preservatives, high in fibre. 93 calories per bar. I love salty, sweet things. Quite nice actually. It's majority made up of popcorn, by the way. I like this and will most definitely probably want to buy them again. What would I give that, Oren? What do we give that one? Shall we give it a 7.5 out of 10? Okay, for dinner tonight, we're having one of the new Aldi foods that I wanted to taste test. I'll show you now. So we are going to be having kind of like vegan chicken tikka kebab style things. So I got these from the plant menu range in Aldi. I don't know if I'm going to do 2 packs or just 1 pack. But they look like, yeah, chicken tikka bits, like fake chicken tikka pieces. And also I'm going to be dry frying them with this doner kebab seasoning pot. My mum actually gave us these. They're like, what are they called? JD seasonings. And they're all vegan. And they're all great for like seasoning different things. So I think I'm going to dry fry these tikka pieces with this. It's going to be like tikka donery kebab flavoured. But it's vegan, it's a vegan pot. So, and it smells actually really nice. So dry fry these. I might only do 1 pack. It depends if I want to make extra for lunch tomorrow. And we're going to have them with chopped up salad and some wraps. So it's going to be relatively a healthy dinner. And then in our wraps, I'm going to add some tzatziki kebab sauce. So yeah, I think this is going to be a good dinner. So let's get it on the go now. Right, so they are done. Lawrence is open right now. Looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah, looks decent. Like, yeah. I mean, I must say, I had a sneaky taste of one of the bits, and they were tasty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I think adding that kebab seasoning was a good idea. They smell great. The salad we've gone for is just sliced carrots, chopped tomatoes, chopped avocado, and rocket.
Yep.
It's just what we had in our fridge. That's the beauty of these things. You can, like, the salad, you can do whatever.
Yeah, that kebab sauce smells really good.
Go.
Okay. Gonna have to go in for another one.
I got a bit of everything. That was tasty.
That's really good. For a bit of extra spice, I've got some of Melinda's extra hot.
But do you know what? It does have a spice. I don't know if that's the tikka pieces from Aldi or the kebab. I think it's a tikka piece from Aldi. Because it says on there like mild spice.
Okay. Sauce is very good too.
I would prefer the sauce to be thicker.
Yeah?
The tzatziki sauce, yeah. This is so good though, isn't it? I think next time I'd add a bit more salt, wouldn't you?
Maybe, yeah.
Because the Vera stuff is really quite salty, but that's what I love about it. So next time I'll add salt to them. But actually, I think that's really delicious. Lots of flavour, good texture.
Yeah, really good texture.
If you burn it a bit in the pan, yeah.
These like chicken chunk, what are they called?
Pieces.
pieces.
Soy pieces.
They are, they're getting better and better.
Yeah.
They really are.
Yeah, do you remember what it used to be? Like a cube of like spongy stuff. It was not great.
I'm looking forward to my second one already.
Yeah. I'd buy them again.
100%.
You don't get much though, because already the pan's nearly finished.
Yeah.
And we cooked 2 packs.
Yeah. Like, I was looking forward to it, but after that first bite, I was like,
Okay, it's pudding time. So the thing we've all been waiting for, well, the thing I've been waiting for the last few days. Where is it? Caramelized biscuit ice creams. I know you're excited about that, Oren, aren't you? So, a Biscoff ice cream. It's like a Magnum. So quite small, but they're quite chunky.
I like it.
Normally I let them like warm a bit, but... Wow. Oh my gosh.
That looks really good.
It's actually delicious.
Where'd you get it from?
Aldi.
Aldi.
That's the whole point of this video.
Is it actually like Biscoff flavour? Like the official Biscoff?
No, it just as caramelized biscuit.
Oh, nice.
Like the layers. So it's got the ice cream, then a biscuit layer, then a chocolatey layer, and in the chocolate I think there's like caramelized crunchy biscuit.
Okay.
It's absolutely insane. Like, you basically took the whole thing. Isn't that unreal?
That is like a Premier League ice cream on a stick.
Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna sneeze.
Bless you. I can't get over how much I enjoy that.
You love it? We're gonna have to get more then.
We will.
Because there's only 3 in the box.
Yeah, but that is like that's a real treat, that is.
That is a real treat. It's so...
It's indulgent.
Very indulgent. That's like a 9.5 out of 10.
He's getting frustrated because he can't have any yet. You're not old enough, bud.
Not old enough, I'm afraid.
Give it a bit of time, a few months, and you might be able to try some, okay?
Right, darling? Okay?
Yeah. Right,
You
bud?
will get all the ice cream you want. Oh yeah, don't waste any. Anyway, on that note, I'm going to give this a 9.5 out of 10.
Yeah,
Aren't we? We're going to give it a 9.5 out of 10.
I'd agree.
100 billion% buying these again, and I pray these aren't the type of things that Aldi will discontinue.
Yeah, that would
They
be
need
really
to keep
upsetting.
this going forever.
Be really upsetting.
Hey, all in all, a successful video, and generally most things we tried we loved. Those are probably my favourite, and the tikka pieces. What about you?
This is the best thing. That's
Yeah,
it.
that's got to be the best thing. So we're going to say goodbye? No. And remember everyone, kind is cool. Take a message out of Oren's book.
Yeah.
But yeah, we love you so much. We've missed filming these types of videos, and it's been very fun, and we'll see you again really, really soon. And yeah. Pardon you.
Pardon you. Yeah, see you soon.
Love you, bye. Just pop it on.